Wow. Gorgeous waterfall coming off the Shoup Glacier. We're all the way out to the Narrows. Such a pretty day out here today. There was a seal playing out here, if I can find it again. Get Keisha all stirred up. Another waterfall off the glacier. I'm sure not catching any fish though. Too bad. Oh well. We're having fun. Enjoying being out on the water. Looking out to the Narrows. Go out there and you go out to the ocean. Well, almost. I haven't been out there yet. Hopefully someday I'll get to go out there. Keisha, where's that squirrel? I mean, where's that seal? Huh? Where's the seal, Keisha? Where is he? Do you see him? Do you see him? All gone. And looking back to the mountains. And back towards Valdez. Such a pretty day today.